What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jess, and this is a quick mini tutorial on how I do my distressed crochet faux locks. As you can see, I'm using braiding hair to braid down my client's hair. I'm also doing the oval shape parting. Now you can do any parting that you want to do. I just kind of like this one a little bit better. It just gives a really natural look versus the box braid and diagonal looks. Now, after you completed braiding your hair, I pretty much did her entire head, so I won't have to go back and start over, going back again. You know, it just gets kind of tiring. So I did her whole head of box braids, and then I go back and do the crochet. Now, if you don't know how to crochet, it's pretty fairly easy, beginner friendly, easy, okay? I am going to use the crochet to go through her hair, grab the end of the lock, pull the lock through, and then I'm going to twist the lock around. Now this hair, it opens up, so you can open it and twist it around.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
And after you've completed all of those, you can go back again with your passion twist hair, which is the brand TRESSES I'm using. And I just separated one piece from one of the packets that it was in, and I just twist it all the way around to the very end. And now the ending of the hair, I just secure it with some super glue. Now you can use your heating tool, so if you want to use your flat irons to just kind of melt it a little bit, you can do it like that. But I just use super glue. Fast, easy. Didn't want to smell that burnt smell in the shop. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So after you completed that all the way down, you're done, and then it's going to look distressed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was very informative. I'm going to post some more. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. All right, I'll holler at y'all in the next video.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.